Hello friends, welcome to another unboxing. I'm making this 5-tier revolving bookshelf. Alright, so looks like I just got some pieces here. This is made out of metal. So we got 4 of those, and then we have these little metallic shelves here. They have little, those are B, and this is B. We got some wheels and stuff in there. All right, and we got another B. So this is all metal, looks like. We have some instructions there, and that's it. Got our little wheels that go on the bottom. This should be fairly simple. So take this off of here. I'm actually going to use my impact driver to make this go a little quicker. Okay. And we got one more to go here. All right, let me get this trash out of the way and we'll get started. Okay, my friends, here we go. So just got the little wheels out, and the wheels go on the bottom part. There's only one place these can go, so just screw those into the bottom. Okay, so these are going to be a little tricky. It does have a little wrench it came with, so you can screw them in with that if you want to. I'm trying to do it by hand here. See if it's going to let me or not. There we go. Doesn't want to very much, but I'm still screwing it in. You know what? I'm going to use a little wrench. Probably be easier. All right, so we have this little wrench here. And then if your thing's a little off, you don't have to screw these in all the way. So just remember righty-tighty and lefty-loosey. Oh boy, that's like really not the most convenient thing to screw it on there with. It's really thin, so okay. This is just going to be a little bit of a tedious job here, I guess. Man, you can't really grip it because the wheel's there. I wonder if I can just pop that off. Nope. Okay, so no matter what I do, it's just going to be just not a very easy thing to put this on here. So it's probably going to be like the slowest part of the whole build right here, actually. Oh my goodness. Sorry to put you guys through this. This is not even cool. Okay, there's one. There's just no real easy way to do this. I thought I'd just be able to screw it in my hand super fast. But because the wheel's right in the way, I'm not really able to do that. Okay, here we go, screwing this on. My goodness, just go ahead and fast forward this, my friends. I apologize, this is kind of ridiculous, but I don't really see a faster way to do this. If you know, let me know in the comments, because good night. This is perhaps a bigger wrench would be better, then I could like actually get it on there without it slipping off. Okay, I'm gonna leave a little gap, so just in case I need to tighten one up or whatever, we're gonna do that. I wish you could just spin the wheel and it would tighten it, but that's not, we should be so lucky, right? So, yeah, there's just, this is frustrating. Okay, don't get frustrated, just put it in there. Trying to, good golly, because you're spinning the wheel, but it's not spinning the thing. It's not spinning the bolt into there either, so there's no real way to grip this. This is just really, okay, this is one of those patience things where it's like, okay, just be patient. Not the easiest thing to do when you're trying to build these. It'd be nice if I could just pop that wheel off the bolt there. I wonder if I could just circle it around and around and around, maybe, or if that's just going to come off of there. Yep, of course it's going to come off. My goodness. So, really, no matter which way I'm trying, this is just... Man, this is... And then it's like, it's so narrow, it's like slipping off of there. So if you do have a bigger, at least the threads aren't like super small. Good night. Okay, like I said, I'm not gonna get this in all the way. That's just crazy to me right now. Okay, make sure it's not stripping the threads too, that'd be bad. Come on. Dun 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 dun. How long does it take to Oh my goodness. Sorry, my friends. This is... If you stuck through this long watching this without fast forwarding, you got some more patience than I have. This to me is just pretty crazy, actually. All right, got it in most of the way. Now, we can work on the other part. Should go about, I'll probably get the whole thing done in as long as it took me to do that. Okay, let's get rolling here. So this is just going to be a lot of screws. They're all the same size here. So this is going to go, let's see, on top here. Let's see here. Should go something like that. So I'm going to set it on the side like this. And I'm not going to tighten that all the way yet. I'm just going to get it in there like halfway. There we are. Okay, so we're just going to go down the line. Get all these in there. And like I said, this is going to be pretty quick. Should move pretty quick now that we got those ones in. Okay. All right, so if you use the Allen key, it's just going to take you a while, my friends. So that's why I recommend electric device here. It's going to go quite a bit faster than it would normally. so not a bad idea. Okay, so there's those, and we go here. It's pretty much only one way these are going to go on there. Let's just make sure they're lined up okay. Okay, and then this one right here. Okay, there's that one. And then we're just going to do the same thing right here. Lots of screws on this thing. I wonder if I could just go faster if I put it by hand. It's a possibility. These go in there pretty easily. Dun, 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 dun. If you had someone to help you, this would go quite a bit quicker. Just make sure your holes are lined up. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, maybe it's not quicker with that. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. How many screws are there in this? There's probably, we got 5 shelves. Quite a few in each one. And we'll just get this lined up here. Main thing is, before you tighten these all down, you want to make sure that it's all nice and straight here. Okay, and then the next one, just doing the same thing all the way around. You could see if I was using the Allen key, this is going to take you quite a bit longer. I can't believe that. It comes out just like no problem. Okay. Dun, dun, dun. There's that one. And that one. All right. That one. That one. And there's that one there. Okay. Got one more to go and we're done. I told you that one piece is going to take me longer than all the others, basically. All right. And those go on there. Like this. Slowing me down a little bit. Okay, now this one. And if this shelf seemed a little bent at first, you should bring it into where it's all the way flat or whatever. Okay, that's pretty much it. It wasn't too difficult. There it is, like that. These wheels lock down into place too. So if this is locked, of course, it's not going to rotate as well. And I'm now that it's stood up like this, now I'm just going to tighten up these. So it should be where we want it to be. I'm just going to use this, but I'm not going to do too tight. I'm just don't want to over tighten, but just so it's a little bit snug on there. Okay, just keep an eye on the metal so it doesn't bend too much there. Okay, there's that side. And now we'll just do these ones here. Feel like a stock car driver, you know, changing out the on a car real quick. Like, woo, woo, woo. Okay. We're almost there. Ten more to go. Okay, I think we're good. They gave us a couple extra screws there. Yeah, let's put some books in it, see how it looks. Okay, friends, well, I put quite a few books in here and it's still got room for like a lot more. So it's pretty nice. Takes up not very much space at all. I mean, if you had like a normal bookcase, you know, this is kind of cool. It just rotates and just takes up this little space right here. But you'd like, I don't know how many books you could put in here, probably a space lot. I think it looks kind of nice though. The white shelves go with just about everything. And little wheels rotate, and if you want to lock them in place, you can just put them down there. So it's kind of cool. It's actually kind of sturdy as well, so it shouldn't like tip over, especially if you get more books in there. Anyways, my friends, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time.